Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change uppercase to lowercase in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document. Now we can see here are my document. Now I am change uppercase to lowercase in this text. Now you firstly you can see the text already changed to uppercase, ready to uppercase. Now I am convert uppercase to lowercase. Now firstly double click on the text box or control A, select the all text and go to the type menu and go to the change case. Now we can see here are lowercase and second is lowercase. Now click this lowercase, then click selection tool. Now you can see change uppercase to lowercase in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.